A radar hack? I've never even heard of a radar hack.
Or I was shooting too straight. Remember banned for literally no reason?
There's nothing wrong with me cheating. What is wrong with me cheating?
Alright, Call of Shame is a scumbag. Like, there's no two ways about it. Like, the man is a scumbag.
Amen, Call of Shame. Amen.
Didn't Call of Shame expose me for God mode? Nope, I exposed myself for God mode.
So, let me explain how this is going to work. At first glance, this looks like the streamer is listening for enemies. However, when the software is activated, it reveals a very different story. The undercover agent will be using this software to locate enemy players. This is no different from the CDL, where viewers can see everyone, to create a more enjoyable experience. However, we will be using this to catch cheating streamers. Our undercover agent will then locate the streamer, and spectate them using tracking software. The agent, who is only known as Ghost, never interferes with any game mechanics. He is able to bypass the gulag as the streamer gets the elimination. Call of Shame will not accept any footage if the game has been changed by cheat software. This means shooting, collecting, even opening loot boxes, or anything else connected to the game. We have taken the minimap from the streamer's POV and overlaid this over the tracking software. This means we can see if UAVs are active, or if they are pushing ghosted players. The webcam has also been overlaid, along with game sound for callouts. This cheating streamer will now land and immediately start to scout enemy players, using their cheat software. However, this looks too suspicious. They will now pretend to look at random places on the map. This is to fool any spectators who may have thought he was cheating. Sometimes these cheating streamers will even pretend to cheat, like this. And the simps that protect them will claim they are baiting their viewers. They do not need to keep scouting players by looking around. Their permanent 2D radar will alert them to nearby enemies. This cheating streamer will now begin to get an idea of enemy locations. However, without these spectator hacks, we would not even notice. Sometimes, they will pretend not to see enemy players, and in some cases, they will even die on purpose. This will fool the viewers, who spectate their gameplay, who will ask the question, if they were cheating, why did the streamer not see this enemy? Well, they did. They just tried to pretend they didn't. Cheating streamers are always on the lookout for cash. This will allow them to constantly buy back their teammates, as they are eliminated multiple times throughout the game. They will use cheat software to locate cash from around the map, and it will even tell them the size of the cash piles. In this short introduction, we have learned that streamers will pretend not to see enemy players. We have touched upon wall tracing, 2D radars and cache collection. Red means the enemy is not in the streamer's line of sight. Green means the streamer has line of sight, but does not always mean he can see them. White means the players are AI, and the streamer has line of sight. Blue means the AI bots are not visible to the streamer. So, come meet my rats, they are waiting for you. My undercover agent has currently been investigating the Twitch streamer Symphony. However, while under surveillance, Symphony was eliminated, and my investigator was highly suspicious. He spectated this streamer known as Frozone, and he was far from satisfied. Ghost contacted me right away, and I personally tuned in to spectate him. After watching for just a few minutes, I immediately opened an investigation into this low IQ streamer. He was playing with his followers, and I knew the best time to catch a cheating streamer is when they are playing with followers, as their ego plays a huge role, and this streamer is not short on ego. Ghost used his own software to connect to the streamer. I would like you to decide, is this a harmless bot, or a cheating streamer?
I am currently above the low IQ streamer. My tracking software is now activated, and I am about to spectate the streamer.
You are clear to spectate. I will present this to the community, so they can decide.
Tracking software activated.
You can hang on to one of those
Streamer mini map overlaid. Webcam and compass overlaid.
You gotta do a loadout if you want.
Plating overlay added.
I have also added an overlay from the original POV to show the true
That's a
plating of
really
the
good
streamer.
idea, bro. I need to get my proxy chat to work. A part of me also wants to do in proxy chat. I want to like I want to get my proxy chat to work or hop in an account, do like ton of like either loadouts or like armor boxes on a buy and wait for people like a squad to come, get their reaction kind of. Like, oh my god, what the hell?
Please like this video to help spread its reach, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn notifications on, so you can be notified when we publish new content.
Need recon overhead.
You got a feller on you. Does it work IRL? He said, I need another car. I don't know about that, man. I don't know if that works like that. Chris, you want to buy my Tesla or what?
Marking enemy.
I've been fucking my truck, but I don't know if I want to like actually go through it yet. Two different teams. What? Cock wizard. Wait, these guys have redeploy. That's what they got. He did a stronghold.
Need recon overhead.
He might be dead.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Wait, so you got a 2023 Camry in the mail? Wait, you got it like that? Hey, hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm lying.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Oh, bro.
Target area marked.
I'm bad.
Clear.
No! Server's skipping for me, man. You guys starting to know.
Where's my aim assist, bro?
Like boosting off these kids, bro. Smoke any ass you want, bro. Oh, what the f go? Just kid around me, like lurking like a rodent. But I've killed them literally 4 times already. Oh, Long Island's iced teas are nice. At this restaurant that we go to, man, $4 teas on Tuesday. It's Tea Tuesday. $4 for Long Island's. Good deal. Oh, I've been muted. I was. Muted. Oh, these kids stink. You need a loadout or are you good? Yeah, I don't have that. I mean, just grab the loadout again and get more ammo. There's kids down there that I want to hold. Yeah, I have another one. I'm killing these bro. You stink. I have a mini box. Oh!
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Emerging enemy! Fire!
Hey, help.
Emerging enemy!
I'm smoking my push. Res.
I need mid-caliber rounds!
Oh, this guy brought plates for us.
Armor here.
More plates right here. You have a mini. I might throw it down. No, I got smoke. I kind of want my sniper cross now. I was kind of fine with my sniper. Yeah, let me just throw another loadout real quick. I mean, I've been going buck wild today with the sniper.
I was witness.
Had a clutch up that game. We had Symphony and Deep. They're going for a duo nuke. I don't know. Someone go see how many. I don't know how many games they were in. Hopefully they weren't too far. If FIFA called me cringe, love that.
Oh, that's so cringe.
I mean, listen, I had no idea they were going for nuke, bro. Listen. Alright, but I think we're past backing out for news anyway. Plus, I mean, he's better than me. You know what I mean? So I'd expect, you know. Oh, I'm chilling. Let me drop you some of this money. FIFA is better than me. Like, yeah, I have no hang.
Moving enemy in this area.
A little bit behind me somewhere.
Could this streamer be actually wall tracing enemy players? While pre-aiming doors as the enemies approach, is he just casually looking for enemies? Or is he using cheat software to reveal their location? Is this streamer a harmless bot with a low IQ and a massive ego? Or is this a cheating streamer? We got you. Game over.
UAV online. Tactical nuke ready for launch. Tactical nuke incoming!